Hello, awesome people. My name is Carla. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'm going to be talking everything related to money, um, credit, how to build your credit, credit cards, leverage credit, leverage other people's money, personal finance, budgeting, business credit, personal credit, and much more. So if you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe to my channel and also just share these videos with any other person that can enjoy this content or might be aware of this subject. And also like this video that will help tremendously with the algorithm, and also YouTube will push this video that way other people can watch it too. In today's video, we will be talking about Credit Karma. What is the truth about Credit Karma? The first truth is Credit Karma is based on Vantage score. So there is many credit score factors, or not factors, is credit score modules. So there are many. The main ones the main one are FICO and Vantage. So one of the reasons that I don't like Credit Karma is because that application or that app is based on Vantage. Vantage is not accurate as FICO. I love and I prefer go to FICO because it's more accurate, and I do prefer get my credit score and my credit report from Experian website or Experian app. So yes, there is a membership, you have to pay a fee, but you will get an accurate credit score and also a credit report. How do I use Credit Karma? Because I do use it. I have it on my phone too. So I just keep it as a something that I can check my credit, but I know that it's off. So you just have to be mindful that because the information comes from Vantage score, so it's not accurate. So that's why many reasons, many people go, for example, to apply for or wanna get a car or a mortgage, and usually, oh, how many is what is your credit score? And people say, well, yes, I have 720, 740. And then when they pull their credit, well, because it's not based on FICO, they have maybe 30 points, 40, 50, sometimes even 70 points off. And that messed up the whole application for whatever you are doing, mortgage or car or credit card or anything related to credit that you are applying for. So Credit Karma has good and bad. So Credit Karma provides you with, you can see your accounts opening. So there is some information that are accurate, but I will go and confirm that's what I will do. Just not don't take that information as a whole, that's what it is. So I will suggest you to get your credit report from www.annualcreditreport.com or go to Experience and get it from there. Me personally usually use those two ways, but like I said, Credit Karma has another benefits. It gives it based on that score, which like I mentioned is not completely accurate. They give you some suggestion of credit cards or secure card, depends on what the score they are going to. You just have to be aware, just don't apply for apply. I will suggest you to, instead of apply through Credit Karma, just go directly to the source. In If you are interested in a specific bank credit card, just go to that bank, and usually the banks have a pre-qualification that don't hurt your credit. So they're just gonna do a soft review or something like that, but definitely it doesn't affect your credit or take some points off or anything like that. They will give you based off the score that you have. That they will pull from your credit. They will give you the suggestion that you might be able to apply. Then you choose the product that more must benefit to you, and then when you complete the application formally, they will pull your credit. But I wouldn't suggest that you just go through the suggestion on Credit Karma, because like I said, even though they are giving you that score, usually the financial institution are gonna go for the FICO score, which is gonna be a difference on score points there. So like I said, those are kind of the pros and cons that you have to be aware. So that is the truth. The truth is legit. So Credit Karma is a good application. I mean, a good resource or app or website, but you just have to be aware that people think that it's not accurate, is off. But the real reason is because the information is coming from Vantage, not FICO. So that's the only reason. And all of the information related, the suggestion, loans in credit cards, and all of these options that you suggest, well, it's based on that score and not FICO. That's why sometimes you get or try to apply through Credit Karma, and you might get approved, but maybe it's because your FICO is also good, so, or good enough to get approved for that specific credit card that you apply at the time. So that's is like I said, it depends, because there depends of the bank. Who knows, maybe the banks go work with the Vantage score, or depend on a specific product. It's like I said, we don't know the data points of that specific bank, but they can pull from they can use Vantage or FICO. They can pull from a specific bureau, or so there is many things that we need to consider. And so that's basically the truth. It's like I said, personally, I use Credit Karma. I know it's off. Usually if I go, when I see it, what I used to do is just, in my mind, I just subtract a bunch of points just in case that I'm interested on using my credit. So because I know it's not, or just to go in the safe way, I just go through experience, pull my credit, and I will go with the safe way. So I'm gonna have a number more accurate, and I can go from there. So basically that's it. So it's like I said, mentioned before, sometimes some people go, and that happened to me too, before I know what I know now about finance. I don't know, when I first moved to United States and I was getting into the credit, I'm trying to know what is going on with this credit situation in the United States, and all of it, get to know more information about it and learn. So it happened to me too. I was inexperienced, I didn't know about it, I was just I was an ignorant on the subject. So I went to get a car, and it happened the same. Oh yes, pull your credit on Credit Karma. Yes, it's easy to say, but the reality is, okay, now I know it's not accurate. So when I got denial before in a different situations or in different time, it was because of that. So sometimes it's just people don't know. I mean, it's not a bad thing. If you don't know, you don't know. I mean, what can we do? But that's why I am here for. So to help you out with some information that you might not know, that you now know. And basically is that. So teaching you those things that can help you out in the near future or from now on, and consider these little details. So there is not much more to say. So it is basically that the truth is legit, is a good resource. You just have to be aware that the information is fed from Vantage score and not FICO, and that's why it might be inaccurate. If you go and apply for a mortgage and they ask you for your credit and you say, oh, mine's 740, but then they pull your credit on FICO, whatever FICO they pull, because there are many different FICO too. I think I believe for mortgages 247. Don't quote me on that. I'm not sure, and I need to research about that. But the point is, they go to FICO, and then the amount that they pull from that credit report is, or the credit score that they pull from that credit report is not the one that you said, and that's when things go out of the cliff, basically. So that's that. I hope that you understand. I hope that you this information is helpful for you and understand what is the truth about Credit Karma, because the reality is that. So let me give you an invitation. I want to invite you to my free VIP group. I have it hosted in a school. There is a school app or the school website, and it's a free. And basically, this is I'm trying to build a community that wanna be open um, to learn and also share information about everything related to money, like I mentioned before. Same as this YouTube, my main purpose is just to help people, teach people, guide people on financial, personal finance, business credit, personal credit, leverage other people's money, in budgeting, in things that can help you with your finance. So, and I'm trying to create this community, that way we can help each other, we can learn each other, we can celebrate each other and you can cry each other, because sometimes things happen, and I mean, things happen. So even we can answer your question, maybe I don't answer it directly, but somebody else have the answer. So that's why it's important to build a community that we have the same goal. So if you have a doubt regarding X, Y, or Z specific, and you just type it there, and there's gonna be a bunch of people there that can answer your question, and you can go from there. So that's what I'm trying to build here. So with your help, I'm gonna leave the link below. There isn't a small process, because I'm trying to leave out the scammers, people that are just trying not to just scam the group. So I'm trying to control that from the beginning. So it's gonna be a little process of application, but it's just a few questions. So don't be scared about it, and I'll hope that I can see you in the group. So, and the last thing is, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't liked this video. Also comment below if you have any other comments or information related to Credit Karma that we can use or help other people to know about that information. So let's engage on the comment section, and I hope that you have a great day.